This one tiny habit of your kid is damaging their jaws and is not, something that you should be proud of. Now, if your kid while watching TV or playing a game on the mobile has their lips apart, mouth open, or are so zoned out that they don't hear you, it's the first sign of mouth breathing. Now, mouth breathing is a silent killer in three ways. First, it decreases your kid's immunity and they put you at a risk for infections. Now, that's because whenever your kid is breathing air through the mouth, that air is unfiltered. It has all the bacteria and viruses, which actually puts your kids at the risk for infections. Second, long term mouth breathing does put you at a risk for BP issues, uncontrolled BP issues, and that is something that you wouldn't want for your kid. Third is the learning abilities. Now, because your kid is going to keep their mouth open, the brain does not get the maximum of the oxygen. So their learning ability goes down and they are more dull throughout the day. Apart from all of this, their jaws become very narrow. So their teeth go into a crooked or malaligned, or they are like aage piche. And apart from this, their front teeth are more outwards, making them look not that great. So it affects their confidence in the long term. But how do you know whether your kid is actually having this mouth breathing habit or not? So silently record while your kid is watching TV, send it across to me. I can help you out identify if your kid is having a mouth breathing habit or no, and we can work together to understand on how to elevate this habit, because mouth breathing habit does not go away by itself. It needs steps and meticulous steps to get eradicate this habit. So if you found this useful, share it with that one parent friend of yours so that their kid is also healthy and has a healthier lifestyle in the future. So till we meet again, keep smiling.